Tired of cloudy well water clogging your pipes and staining everything in sight? Well, stick around, because today I'm revealing the 6 best sediment filters that can save your water and your sanity. So in this video, I've lined up 6 filters, starting from the decent but not perfect ones, all the way up to the absolute game changer that honestly made me rethink how well water should flow through a home. I'll walk you through the pros, the cons, the little quirks you need to know, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one deserves a spot in your home. 6. Aquaboon 5 Micron Sediment Filter. I kicked off my testing with the Aquaboon 5 Micron Sediment Filter. And you know, for a basic filter, it kind of does what it promises. It's a polypropylene string-wound cartridge, which means it's cheap, lightweight, and easy to just pop into a housing. And for anyone on a budget or just needing a quick fix, this is a grab-and-go solution. After installing it on a small test system, the filter caught plenty of dirt, rust flakes, and fine particles right away. That felt good, like okay, at least the water isn't dragging mud into the dishwasher anymore. The 5 micron rating means it's fairly fine, so you do see noticeably clearer water if your well kicks up silt. But here's where it started bugging me. The thing just doesn't last that long. Because it's a disposable cartridge, heavy sediment loads clog it fast. If your well produces a lot of sand or rust, you might find yourself replacing this cartridge every month or two. And honestly, crawling into your filter system that often gets old fast. Another thing is, while it does a fair job, it's kind of bare bones. No real bells, no whistles, just a filter. And that makes sense because it's cheap. But if you want less hassle and more durability, this one feels like a starter option rather than a serious long-term investment. Overall, the Aquaboon 5 is fine if you're testing the waters, no pun intended. It clears out the basics and it's super affordable. Just know up front, the real cost here comes from replacement frequency, not the initial purchase. 5. PUREPLUS 5 Micron Sediment Cartridge. Now jumping over to the PUREPLUS Sediment Cartridge, we're kind of in the same territory, but with a twist. PUREPLUS has a reputation for slightly higher build quality, and when I put it side by side with the Aquaboon, yeah, it felt a little sturdier, a little more thoughtfully made. They use food-grade polypropylene and claim this one can last longer under average conditions. In my testing, it definitely trapped a good variety of particles, rust, dirt, you name it. And I noticed the water pressure drop was less severe compared to cheaper cartridges. That's an instant win, because nobody likes faucets that start trickling like a leaky straw. But here's the kicker. Like the Aquaboon, it's still just a disposable cartridge. And if you're pulling heavy loads of sand or grit, you're back to frequent changes. PUREPLUS does market it as being a bit more durable, but in my experience, under really dirty water, it clogs up about as fast as any other polypropylene filter. Another small thing, it's only marginally more expensive than the Aquaboon, but when you multiply that across frequent replacements, it adds up. So while yes, it's kind of a step up, it still leaves you thinking, maybe I need something beefier. That said, the water clarity improvement was satisfying, and I'd say, if you want a cartridge filter that feels like a middle ground before stepping into bigger investments, PUREPLUS is that option. Reliable, but still not the kind of thing you want if your well is a sediment monster. 4. Membrane Solutions 5 Micron Filter. Okay, now things start getting interesting with the Membrane Solutions Sediment Filter. So here's what stood out to me immediately. Unlike the last two, this filter felt like it actually prioritized capacity. When I put it in place, I just didn't have to worry as much about clogs in the first week. That was huge. The gradient filtration design is clever. Basically, instead of being uniform throughout, it filters bigger particles on the outer layer and finer stuff toward the core. The result? It lasts longer because it's not trying to catch everything right up front. And after a few weeks of use, I could tell it was pacing itself much better than the Aquaboon or PUREPLUS. Also, water pressure stayed more stable for me. You know how sometimes filters seem fine for a couple of days and then suddenly your shower feels weak? Yeah, not here. It kept the flow rate surprisingly consistent. Now, fair is fair. It's still a cartridge, which means eventually you're going to swap it out. And if I'm picky, I'd say it isn't the cheapest cartridge out there. That might be a minor sting for folks who want something disposable but don't want to think about cost creeping up over time. But honestly, this was the first filter where I felt, okay, this could actually stick around without constant babysitting. And that psychological relief, not worrying about every grain of sand clogging things up, is a nice step forward. 3. Culligan WSP-50 Whole House Sediment Filter. Now moving into the big leagues, the Culligan WSP-50. This is where you notice a shift in design. Instead of just cartridges, this is a whole house filter system with a proper housing that's built to handle sediment before it even reaches your tap. When I installed it, the difference was kind of immediate. You get this heavy-duty feel, like it's not just a disposable piece, but a unit you actually trust to guard your plumbing. The built-in bypass valve is slick. It makes filter changes way less of a headache because you're not shutting down your whole water supply every time. And here's something I appreciated: the clear housing. Call me weird, but being able to see the sediment building up makes maintenance so much easier. No guesswork, no surprises. You actually understand when it's time to swap the cartridge inside. Does it take up more room? Yeah, absolutely. This is a commitment, not a tiny cartridge you toss in a holder. And if you're really tight on budget, Culligan filters can feel pricier when you're buying replacements. But overall, the WSP-50 reminded me how confident I felt just knowing my whole house was being protected versus tackling sediment piecemeal. And honestly, for well owners with consistent rust or sand problems, that confidence pays for itself. Number 2. SimPure 40-200 Micron Reusable Filter. Now we're talking game-changing durability, the SimPure Reusable Sediment Pre-Filter. This is where the throwaway cartridge cycle finally breaks, and let me tell you, I loved testing this one. Instead of replacing filters every couple of weeks, this thing is washable and reusable. You literally just take it out, rinse off the trapped sediment, and pop it back in. And because it's stainless steel mesh with options like 40 or 200 micron, it handles even the nastiest chunks of sand and grit without clogging instantly. When I first installed it, I'll admit I was half expecting it to feel flimsy or to drop water pressure badly. Nope, the body is solid, and the flush valve at the bottom is kind of genius. Sediment literally flushed right out when I twisted it open, and the filter was back in business in seconds. The only real drawback, you need to get into the habit of flushing it regularly. If you neglect it for too long, it does back up, and you'll notice the flow cut down. So it's not a set it and forget it system. It's a system that rewards you if you actually maintain it. Still, compared to constantly throwing money into cartridge packs, this thing felt like such a relief. It's eco-friendly, it's cost-saving, and it gave me that ah moment knowing it's reusable. 1. iSpring WSP-50 Sediment Filter. Finally, the crown jewel, the iSpring WSP-50. And honestly, after running through everything else, this felt like hitting gold. The build quality is rock solid, brass fittings, stainless steel mesh, and a clear housing that lets you literally see it work. The 50 micron rating is right in that sweet spot, fine enough to take out stubborn sand and rust, but not so tight that it clogs up every other day. But what really won me over was the flushable design. Just like the SimPure, you can flush sediment through a valve instead of disassembling everything. And in my testing, the WSP-50 seemed to strike this perfect balance. It protected my downstream filters beautifully while barely slowing down water pressure. Now, I'll be real, it doesn't mean you never clean it. You should still give it a flush here and there. But compared to juggling piles of cartridges, this is like a dream upgrade. You rinse it, you go on with your day, and your appliances keep doing their thing without choking on sediment. And here's the kicker, it just feels professional grade. From the solid body to the secure seals, everything about it screams reliability. I've seen cheaper housings warp or leak over time, but this one, it feels like an investment, not just a purchase. If you've been battling muddy, rusty, or sandy well water and you're done playing around with disposable filters, the iSpring WSP-50 is the heavyweight champ. It earned my #1 spot because it's practical, long-lasting, and just makes life simpler. Closing thoughts. So there you have it, 6 sediment filters, each with their own pros and quirks. The cheaper cartridge filters like Aquaboon and PUREPLUS might work for lighter sediment loads, but when it comes to serious well water protection, the big players like SimPure and iSpring absolutely change the game. And honestly, that's the real point. Your water, your plumbing, and your appliances deserve a filter that matches your well's personality. If it spits out a few grains here or there, maybe a simple cartridge works. But if it's a sediment beast, go reusable, go flushable, go reliable, because at the end of the day, clearer, safer water isn't just nice, it's peace of mind.